In the expansive world of the digital age, the opportunities to generate income online are truly limitless. Every day, innovative minds are finding new ways to make money in the virtual marketplace. It's a time when the power of creativity and technology merge to create income streams that were unimaginable just a few years ago. In this era of digital transformation, businesses are no longer confined to brick-and-mortar establishments. They're transcending borders, reaching audiences globally, and reaping the benefits of a 24/7 open-for-business model. This is all thanks to the internet, which has democratized the world of commerce like never before. Now, imagine having the ability to tap into this potential, to generate a steady stream of income online. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what we're here to talk about. You see, the beauty of the digital age is the availability of tools and platforms that have completely revolutionized the way businesses operate. These resources are designed to simplify, streamline, and enhance online business operations, making it easier than ever to start and run your own venture. Among these, a particular tool stands out. It's called Creative Fabrica, a platform that's been making waves in the world of digital entrepreneurship. This powerhouse of a tool is not just another resource. No, it's a game changer, a catalyst that's enabling creative entrepreneurs to build businesses that are profitable, sustainable, and exciting. With Creative Fabrica, you're not just building a business, you're creating a brand, a digital enterprise that's uniquely yours. And the best part? You're doing it with the support of a tool that's designed to make the process as seamless and efficient as possible. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking for your next big venture, or a novice just stepping into the world of digital entrepreneurship, Creative Fabrica offers an ocean of opportunities. And today, we're going to dive into this ocean, exploring how you can leverage this platform to build not one, but 6 businesses that have the potential to yield an impressive $8,000 per month. Among these, Creative Fabrica emerges as a game changer for creative entrepreneurs. As a passive income coach, I've personally experienced the transformative power of Creative Fabrica. This isn't just another tool in the toolbox, it's a game changer. I've been using Creative Fabrica for a solid year now, and let me tell you, it's been a revelation. Imagine having a vault of creative assets at your fingertips, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. That's precisely what Creative Fabrica offers. It's like having an entire army of graphic designers, typographers, and illustrators working round the clock just for you. And the best part? It doesn't break the bank. Before I discovered Creative Fabrica, I spent countless hours and a significant amount of money commissioning custom designs. The process was time-consuming, and often the results didn't match my vision. With Creative Fabrica, I have the freedom to browse through a vast collection of assets until I find the perfect fit. It's like having a supermarket of creativity right at my fingertips. Using Creative Fabrica has saved me a considerable amount of time. No more waiting days or even weeks for a design to be completed. Now, I can have a stunning graphic or an elegant font ready to use in mere minutes. Time is money, as they say. And with Creative Fabrica, I've saved both. But the benefits don't stop there. Creative Fabrica has also allowed me to significantly increase my earnings. By providing me with high-quality assets that I can incorporate into my products and services, I've been able to offer more value to my customers. As a result, I've seen a considerable increase in sales and consequently, in my income. In essence, Creative Fabrica has not only streamlined my creative process, but also significantly boosted my earnings. It's a tool that I believe everyone, from digital marketers to small business owners, can benefit from. So if you're looking for a way to save time, money, and supercharge your creative output, I highly recommend giving Creative Fabrica a try. But what exactly is Creative Fabrica? Creative Fabrica is a digital marketplace that's a one-stop shop for all your creative needs. It's a platform where artists, designers, and creators from all over the world come together to share their work and inspire others. Imagine having an enormous library of creative assets at your fingertips. That's what Creative Fabrica offers. It's a treasure trove of graphics, fonts, templates, and so much more. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a beginner just starting out, Creative Fabrica has something for you. Now you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, it's quite simple. You start by creating an account. Once that's done, you can dive into the library of creative assets. You can browse through the categories or use the search function if you have something specific in mind. Found something you like? Add it to your cart. When you're ready, you can check out with a variety of subscription plans. You can choose to purchase a single creative asset or opt for a monthly or yearly subscription plan. The choice is yours. But the real beauty of Creative Fabrica lies not just in its vast collection of creative assets, but in the benefits it offers. Think about it. To create one creative asset, you might need anywhere from 30 minutes to 5 hours. But with Creative Fabrica, you have a whole ocean of assets ready to use. This means you can save invaluable time and focus on what's really important: creating. And let's not forget the cost aspect. With a subscription, you get unlimited access to the entire library. This means you can download as many assets as you need without having to worry about additional costs. It's like having a personal designer on call without the hefty price tag. In essence, Creative Fabrica is not just about providing creative assets. It's about giving you the tools to turn your creative visions into reality. It's about helping you build your dream project, whether it's a personal blog, an online store, or a digital marketing campaign. It's a treasure trove for anyone looking to create high-quality products and services. Now let's delve into the crux of the matter: how to build businesses with Creative Fabrica. Imagine the prospect of having access to an endless trove of creative assets at your fingertips. This is the reality with Creative Fabrica. This platform is akin to a goldmine for entrepreneurs looking to build businesses, offering a vast array of graphics, fonts, templates, and more. The beauty of Creative Fabrica is the simplicity of its model. It's an all-encompassing platform that paves the way for you to create unique, high-quality products and services. Whether your focus is on graphic design, crafting, or even digital marketing, Creative Fabrica is a tool that caters to all. Now, you might be wondering, how does this platform actually save time? Well, consider the hours spent brainstorming, designing, and perfecting a single creative asset. With Creative Fabrica, you can bypass this process entirely. Instead of starting from scratch, you start from a point of inspiration, with an abundance of pre-existing assets at your disposal. This shifts the focus from creation to innovation, allowing you to adapt and customize assets to suit your business needs. Moreover, the platform's subscription-based model provides an added level of convenience. With a single monthly or yearly subscription, you can access a vast array of assets, eliminating the need for individual purchases. This not only saves time, but also makes the process more cost-effective. But the true potential of Creative Fabrica comes into play when you start leveraging these assets to build businesses. The possibilities are extensive. From designing custom merchandise and launching a digital marketing agency to starting a blog or even a crafting business, the options are only limited by your imagination. What's more, with Creative Fabrica, you're not just building a single business. The variety of assets available means you can diversify your income streams by launching multiple businesses across different sectors. With Creative Fabrica, you are not just saving time, but also opening doors to multiple business opportunities. So, are you ready to tap into the potential of this remarkable platform and start your entrepreneurial journey? Let's move on to the next stage: launching your business with Creative Fabrica. Launching a business with Creative Fabrica is as simple as it gets. The platform is designed to minimize the obstacles in your entrepreneurial journey, offering an array of creative assets that can be the foundation of your new venture. To begin, you'll need to select the creative assets that align with your business idea. Perhaps you're starting a graphic design service and need a variety of fonts and templates. Or maybe you're launching an online store and need unique graphics to make your products stand out. Whatever your vision, Creative Fabrica has the resources to bring it to life. Once you've chosen your assets, the next step is acquisition. Now here's where you have a couple of options. You could buy each asset individually, which might be a good route if you only need a few specific elements. However, if your business requires a constant influx of fresh, creative content, consider opting for a monthly or yearly subscription plan. This gives you unlimited access to Creative Fabrica's extensive library, ensuring you always have what you need to keep your business dynamic and engaging. After acquiring your assets, it's time to incorporate them into your business. Whether you're using graphics for product design, fonts for branding, or templates for your website, Creative Fabrica's assets can be seamlessly integrated into various aspects of your venture. And remember, these aren't just static assets. They're tools for growth, designed to enhance your offerings and captivate your audience. Finally, it's time to launch. With your assets in place and your business ready to go, you can introduce your venture to the world. Share your products or services online, engage with potential customers, and watch as your business flourishes. Remember, Success doesn't come overnight, but with patience, persistence, and the right resources, your business can reach new heights. And there you have it. From selection to launch, Creative Fabrica streamlines the process, providing you with the resources to create, innovate, and succeed. With Creative Fabrica, setting up your business becomes a breeze. Are you ready to discover the 6 businesses you can build with Creative Fabrica? Let's dive right in. Creative Fabrica isn't just a tool, it's a goldmine for entrepreneurs. With its vast library of resources, you can venture into various businesses. The first business you can create is a graphic design venture. With thousands of graphics at your disposal, you can cater to clients from various industries, offering them unique designs for their marketing needs. Secondly, you can set up a digital printables business. From greeting cards to calendars, Creative Fabrica has got you covered. You just need to pick the designs, customize them if needed, and sell them on platforms like Etsy or your own online store. The third business is a font licensing venture. There's a huge demand for unique fonts in the market, and Creative Fabrica has an extensive collection of them. You can resell these fonts or use them in your design projects. Fourth, you can start a web design business. With templates and themes available in Creative Fabrica, you can create stunning websites for clients in less time than it would take to build from scratch. The fifth business is a crafting business. With access to countless craft patterns and templates, you can create and sell physical or digital products, such as SVG files for cutting machines, embroidery patterns, or printable crafts. Lastly, you can start a content creation venture. With Creative Fabrica, you have access to a plethora of templates for social media posts, blogs, and more. You can offer these services to businesses and individuals who need help creating engaging content. The beauty of these businesses is that you can run them simultaneously, or pick the one that aligns best with your skills and interests. And the best part, you don't need a massive team or high initial investment. With Creative Fabrica, you're already a step ahead. Stay tuned as we unveil these 6 businesses in the next section. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, unveiling the 6 businesses you can build with Creative Fabrica. The first business you can build is a graphic design venture. With Creative Fabrica's vast library of unique graphics, you can offer custom design solutions to clients worldwide. From logos to social media banners, the possibilities are endless. Next up, we have the print-on-demand business. This involves using Creative Fabrica's design assets to create and sell custom-printed products. These could be anything from t-shirts to mugs and even phone cases. You design it, put it up for sale, and then the printing company handles the rest. The third business is a digital products business. With Creative Fabrica, you can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or even your own fonts. These require no physical inventory and can be sold repeatedly, making them a lucrative venture. Fourth on our list is the sticker business. Stickers are a popular commodity, and with Creative Fabrica, you can create unique designs that cater to various niches. You can sell these on platforms like Etsy or even your own website. Fifth, we have the web design business. Using Creative Fabrica's templates, you can offer website design services. With businesses moving online, this is a high-demand service that can generate substantial income. Lastly, we have the social media management business. With Creative Fabrica's templates, you can create engaging social media posts for businesses. This is a great way to help businesses increase their online presence and attract more customers. Each of these businesses has the potential to generate an impressive income. Of course, the amount you earn will depend on various factors such as your pricing, marketing efforts, and the quality of your products or services. The beauty of these businesses is that you can run them from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Plus, you can operate them on your own time, making them perfect for those with a busy schedule or those looking for a side hustle. And there you have it, 6 businesses you can build using Creative Fabrica. Each one offers a unique opportunity to generate income online. And the best part? You don't need a big budget, a team, or even a lot of time to get started. With Creative Fabrica, you are not just building a business, you're creating a revenue stream that can yield up to $8,000 per month. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore Creative Fabrica, and start building your dream business today.